Libraria allows you to publish and fetch your translations in real time without waiting for the next deployment. To start working, select the project card. Go to the project settings, choose the Integration tab and click Connect with GitHub. Then install the Libraria GitHub application to your repository. Select a repository and click Install. Go back to Libraria and fill in the required fields such as GitHub username, repository name, base branch, and paste template to translation files. Click Make Connection to finish. Your integration is ready. Next, go back to the terms list and click Push to Git. Select an integrated repository, branch name, make notes, and click Push. Go back to GitHub and check the created pull request. After checking, click Merge pull request. Well done! Localizations are in your code now. Go global faster with Libraria.